SEO won the last 30 years. AEO is going to win the next 30. And if you don't know what AEO is yet, answer engine optimization, you're about to be left behind by every agency and freelancer who figures this out before you do. Here's what's changed. For 3 decades, people searched for things. They typed keywords, they clicked links, they scrolled through results. That was the game. Whoever ranked the highest won. But that behavior, it's dying. Right now, not 5 years from now, right now, people are opening ChatGPT, opening Perplexity, opening Claude, and they're not searching anymore. They're asking, what is the best CRM for a small agency? Who should I hire to build my Shopify store? What software do I need for this problem? And AI, it just tells them. It gives them names, gives them recommendations, gives them answers. No 10 blue links, no scrolling, no clicking around. Just, here's what you should use. Here's who you should hire. The businesses showing up in these AI answers, they're getting handed leads like it's nothing. The businesses that don't show up, they're invisible. The conversation happens without them. This is the shift. And the people who understand how to optimize for AI answers, not Google results, but AI answers, are about to eat everybody else's lunch. Now look, I want to be upfront about something. I'm not claiming to be the world's leading AEO expert. I've taken the courses, I'm in the communities, I'm watching what's working. But what I am is somebody who spots trends. That's what I do. That's what I've done successfully for years. I look at where things are going before the market gets saturated. And this is one of those moments. AEO is one of 99 services that I've identified that are going to be in serious demand over the next 12 months. If you want that full list, the complete breakdown of what's growing, what's dying, what you should be positioning yourself for, just drop the word services in the comments and I'll get that to you. But right now, let's talk about why AEO specifically is such a massive opportunity and why people who move on this now are going to have a huge advantage over everybody else. So let me break down what's actually happening here because it's not just a theory. The data is already showing it. The monopoly on finding information through 10 blue links and search results, it's cracking. And here's the thing, it's not even about Google versus ChatGPT. Google itself is changing. Have you used Google lately? Like actually paid attention to what's happening at the top of your search results? AI mode is showing up more and more. Google's AI overview is already answering questions before you even see the links. And this is only going one direction. Eventually, Google's not going to give you 10 answers to pick from. They're just going to give you the answer. That's what AI mode is building toward. So whether somebody's using Google's AI mode, asking Gemini directly, going to ChatGPT, opening Perplexity, the behavior is the same. They're not scrolling through results anymore. They're getting answers. And think about your own behavior for a second. When's the last time you Googled something and actually clicked through on 3 or 4 websites to find what you needed? Versus just looking at Google's AI mode answer at the top, or asking ChatGPT and getting it in 2 seconds. Be honest, the convenience isn't even close. And here's what's really shifted. We trust AI answers now, more and more every day. When Google's AI overview tells you something, you believe it. When ChatGPT recommends a tool, you check it out. When Perplexity gives you a list of options, you take it seriously. That trust is the game changer. Now here's why this matters if you're selling services or running an agency. The old model was rank on Google, get traffic, hope people click your link out of the 10 options, convert that traffic into leads. And that model worked. It worked really well for a really long time. But it required you to fight for rankings, fight for clicks, fight through all the noise and ads and competitors and featured snippets and whatever else Google decided to throw on the page that week. The new model, get recommended by AI. Not ranked, recommended. Whether that's Google's AI mode recommending you, Gemini suggesting you, ChatGPT naming you, or Perplexity including you in their answer. You either show up in that AI response or you don't exist in that conversation. There's no page 2. There's no scroll down to find more options. It's just, here's the answer. Done. And the businesses that understand how to be that answer, they're not fighting for clicks anymore. The leads are being handed to them. By the way, if you're watching this and thinking about what services you should be offering or positioning yourself for, I've put together a list of 99 services that are going to be in demand over the next 12 months. AEO is one of them. Comment services below and I'll send you the full breakdown. All right, so we know the shift is happening. Google is still the main platform, but the format is completely different now. So how does AEO actually work? What makes AI recommend one business over another? That's what we need to dig into next. Okay, so here's where it gets tactical. How do you actually get AI to recommend you? Because it's not magic. There's a logic to it. And once you understand that logic, you can reverse engineer the whole thing. First thing you need to understand, AI doesn't just make up stuff when it recommends business. Well, sometimes it hallucinates, but mostly it's pulling from sources. It's synthesizing information that already exists about you online or your clients online. So the question becomes, what information exists about you? And is it the right information? Let me break down the key factors. Number one, brand mentions and citations. When AI is deciding who to recommend for something, it's looking at who gets talked about in relation to that topic. Are you mentioned in industry blogs? Are you cited in articles? Do other websites reference you as an authority on what you do? This is like digital word of mouth. The more your name shows up connected to your expertise, the more likely AI is to surface you as a recommendation. Number two, structured, clear information about what you actually do, aka becoming an entity. AI needs to understand you as a distinct entity. If your website is vague about what you offer, who you help, what problems you solve, the AI can't categorize you, can't recommend you, because it doesn't know what box to put you in. You need crystal clear positioning, not cute and clever, clear and specific. For example, we help e-commerce brands scale from $1 million to $10 million through paid social. That's something AI can work with. That's an entity that it can recognize and categorize, as opposed to, we're a full-service digital agency providing holistic solutions and growing brands. That's nothing. That's noise. AI doesn't know what to do with that. Number three, reviews and third-party validation. AI pays attention to what others say about you. Google reviews, Trustpilot, industry platforms, Clutch, G2, whatever platforms are relevant to your space. These aren't just for humans reading them, they're training data. They're signals for AI. The more positive, specific reviews that you have that mention you, what you do, and the results you get, the more ammunition AI has to recommend you. Number four, content that answers questions. This is the big one. Remember, people are asking AI things. They're asking questions. If you have content that directly answers those questions, blog posts, guides, YouTube videos, podcast episodes, you're giving AI something to reference. You're becoming a source. And here's a pro tip that most people miss. Don't just create content for keywords. Create content that answers the exact questions people are typing into ChatGPT and Perplexity and Gemini. Go into those tools. See what questions people are asking. See what answers are being given. Then create better answers, more complete answers, more specific answers. Become the source AI wants to pull from. Number five, consistency across platforms, reinforcing your entity. AI cross-references everything. Your website says one thing, your LinkedIn says another, your social profiles say something else, your reviews mention different services. That level of inconsistency creates confusion, and confused AI doesn't recommend you. Your name, your offer, your positioning, your expertise, it all needs to match everywhere. Same message, every platform, no contradictions. You need to show up as one clear, consistent entity across the entire internet. That's how AI builds confidence in recommending you. So those are the 5 core pillars. Brand mentions, clear entity positioning, reviews, question answering content, consistency. Master those, and you're way ahead of 99% of businesses who haven't even thought about this yet. But here's the thing. This is a massive opportunity right now because most people aren't thinking about it. Which brings us to why this is such a huge opportunity for agencies and freelancers. So here's where this gets really interesting if you're thinking about what services to offer. AEO is at this perfect inflection point right now. The demand is about to explode. The supply of people who actually know what they're doing is tiny. Think about where SEO was back in 2008 or 2009. Businesses were starting to realize they needed it, but most business owners had no idea how to do it themselves. They didn't have time to learn it. They just wanted somebody to handle it for them. So the people who positioned themselves as SEO experts early, they built entire agencies, made fortunes, became the go-to names in the industry. That same window is opening right now with AEO. Business owners are starting to hear about this. They're seeing their traffic sources shift. They're noticing AI answers popping up everywhere, but they don't know what to do about it. They don't have time to figure out brand mentions and entity optimization and content strategies for AI recommendations. They just want somebody to handle it. And that somebody could be you. And here's what makes this even better as a service. The low-hanging fruit out there right now gets results fast. I just walked you through the 5 core pillars in like 3 minutes. That's the foundation. Yes, there's nuance. Yes, there's strategy. Yes, you need to understand the specifics if you want to deliver this effectively. But the quick wins, they're sitting right there for the taking. You can start getting clients visible in AI answers with minimal effort if you know where to focus first. That's the arbitrage. Learn it now while it's still early. Position yourself as the expert. Be the person businesses come to when they finally realize they need this. And if you're already running an agency or doing freelance work in marketing, SEO, content, social, this is a natural add-on. You probably already have clients who need this. They just don't know they need it yet. You bring it to them. You explain the shift. You offer to handle it. That's new revenue from existing relationships. And for new client acquisition, being able to say, I specialize in AEO right now is a differentiator. It's a conversation starter. It positions you as somebody who's ahead of the curve, while everybody else is still pitching the same SEO and social media services they've been pitching for a decade. Speaking of which, if you're watching this and thinking about what direction to take your services in, AEO is just one of the 99 services that I've identified that are going to be in high demand over the next 12 months. Comment services below, and I'll send you the complete list so you can see the full picture. But before we wrap up, let me give you the practical next steps on this. All right, so let me give you the action plan here. If you're serious about adding AEO to your services or just getting ahead of this curve, step one, go use the AI tools yourself. Like actually use them. Ask ChatGPT for recommendations in your industry. Ask Perplexity who the best agencies are for what you do. Use Google AI mode. See who's showing up. See what answers are being given. This is your competitive research. This is how you understand what winning looks like right now. Step two, search for yourself. Ask the AI tools about your business, your name, your brand. What comes up? Are you being recommended? Are you even being mentioned? If not, that's your starting point. That's the gap you need to close. Step three, pick the low-hanging fruit first. You don't need to overhaul everything overnight. Start with your positioning. Make it crystal clear what you do and who you help. Make sure that messaging is consistent across your website, social profiles, everywhere else you exist online. Then look at content. What questions are people asking AI that you could answer better than what's currently being served up? Create that content. Be the better source. These are quick wins. You can start seeing your brand show up in AI answers faster than you'd think. Step four, if you want to offer this as a service, practice on yourself first. Get your own brand showing up in AI recommendations. Document what you did, what worked, what moved the needle. That becomes your case study, your proof of concept, your sales tool for landing clients. And step five, move fast. I keep saying this, but it's important. The window of where you can position yourself as an AEO expert while the market is still figuring it out what AEO even means, that window is not going to stay open forever. The people who move now get the first mover advantage, while everybody else fights for scraps later. Look, the shift from SEO to AEO isn't coming, it's already here. Google's own search results are changing. AI mode is becoming the default. The way people find and choose businesses has fundamentally shifted. You can ignore this and hope it doesn't affect you, or you can get ahead of it, learn it, offer it, be the person who helps businesses navigate this new landscape. And that's the opportunity sitting right in front of you. Now, if you want to go deeper on this, not just AEO, but the full picture of what services are going to be in demand, I put together a list of 99 services that are positioned for growth over the next 12 months. AEO is on there. So are a lot of other opportunities that you might not be thinking about. Just comment services below and I'll send it to you. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button. I'm constantly breaking down trends like this, what's working, what's emerging, where the smart money is going. You want to be in the loop for what's next. All right, that's AEO. That's the opportunity. Now go do something with it. And I'll see you in the next video.